your eyes. Open up your ears. Open up your mind. Fellow Toastmasters, do you open yourself to all the possibilities in life? About a year ago, my friend, a comedian Yunsu, called me. Hey, Yunsu, what's up? YouTube? English subtitles? Me? He wanted to upload his comic videos on his YouTube channel, and he asked me to write English subtitles. How could I do English subtitles with my poor English skills? To make matters worse, comedy is hard to translate. What if I translate and no one understands? My answer was definitely no. Actually, I already had my own YouTube channel. I have been uploading my daily thoughts in English on my YouTube channel for 2 years. But they're all closed with private settings, which means I am the only one who could see them. Even though I wanted to communicate with people from all over the world, I was afraid, what if my ex-boyfriend saw my videos and thought, I'm so glad we broke up. What if my coworker said, no way, Kate is terrible. Well, she said that she was going to an English club every week, but she said a master's course on making toast. But Yunsu kept calling and calling. I accidentally picked up the call instead of hanging up. Yunsu, this time he wouldn't take no for an answer. And what ultimately changed my mind were these words. Kate, I believe in you, but why can't you believe in yourself? Open up yourself to possibilities. You never know until you try. Yes, he was right. That's why for 2 years, while I piled up more than 200 videos, nothing changed. As Yun-sung said, it was obvious that I couldn't get anything done unless I opened up myself to possibilities. I thought, it's time to change. I made a decision to change my YouTube settings for the videos I uploaded. From private to public, from closed to open, mouse click. The next day, I checked my YouTube channel with caution. I couldn't believe it. To my surprise, nothing changed. I had just 2 subscribers. One was my dad, and the other was my mom. How did I know? I pushed the subscribe buttons on their phones myself. Who knew I'll be so desperate for subscribers? However, regardless of this, one thing has changed. My attitude toward the future has been totally transformed. Opening it up to the public was not only setting up the YouTube channel, but also about me and my future. Will I be afraid of the known, or will I look forward to it? Should I avoid people's reactions, or should I welcome them? Will I believe in myself or not? After all, believing in possibilities is believing in me. In the past, I wasted time worrying about my future, but now I spend time focusing on my growth. That's why I have been uploading my videos every single day, and I'm looking forward to the future. Finally, I called Yoon-sung. Yoon-sung, I will do it. Yoon-sung and I started a new channel named Comedian Higugin. Surprisingly, it has been making remarkable progress since the first video. Most of all, foreign viewers said that the English subtitles are excellent. Luckily, I have two friends to help me translate. One is Google, and the other is Papago. Who knew the online translators were so good? And who would have thought that other creators would ask me to write their subtitles as well? Fellow Toastmasters, now I know that whenever I try, I exceed my own expectations. Do you? Close yourself off with limitations? Open up yourself to all possibilities. You never know until you try. Contest chair,